Good day students. So today in our class we discussed the chapter number 3, The Midnight Visitor. This chapter is written by Robert Arthur. This is the famous writer and most of his stories are related to mysteries. So this is the story that is about the witty secret agent Ausable. He was very clever. He was with the writer named Fowler throughout the evening, as Fowler was interested in spending time with the secret agent. But when he spent time with the secret agent Ausable, he realizes that he is exactly opposite of what he had imagined, and that he was a bore. Ausable then told Fowler that he had been thinking wrong and that soon he would be looking at the report that would change the country's future. So then Ausable takes Fowler to his room, and when they enter the room, a guy with a gun named Max was standing in the room, and he asked them to be comfortable until the reports about the missiles arrived in 30 minutes, as he was there to steal the reports. This was the first adventure out of many that Fowler had expected when he had thought of meeting a secret agent. Okay, so next is while they were talking, Ausable started with a story about how a guy had entered from a balcony last month below his room. While this talk was going on, a sudden knock was he heard at the door. Ausable said that it must be the police, as he wanted them to check on him after some time, because he wanted to make the reports that were coming extra secure. Max, pointing this gun towards them, said that he would be waiting in the balcony and that Ausable should send away the police, otherwise he would shoot them. So as the doorknob is turned, Max jumps out of the window. तो उसने क्या किया? Out of the window ही jump कर दिया. And a loud scream is heard. Scream means a loud cry was heard. The door opens and a waiter comes in and says that he was brought the wine that Mr. Ausable had ordered. So in this way, Mr. Ausable clearly made Max fool. So the next is the Fowler is surprised and asked him about the police, to which Ausable replied that there was no police. The Fowler asked that about the person who was waiting in the balcony outside the window, to which Ausable replied that he would not return as there is no balcony there. So in this way, the Max jumped from the room and then he died. This shows that the quick wit of Ausable, as he took the advantage of the situation and made Max nervous, due to which he jumped out of the window. तो फिर क्या हो गया कि मैक्स जो था वो नर्वस हो गया, ठीक है. तो उसने क्या किया? इन द नर्वसनेस ही जम्प्ड आउट ऑफ द विंडो विदाउट इवन थिंकिंग एंड लुकिंग डाउन. ही हैड जम्प्ड फ्रॉम द टॉप फ्लोर ऑफ द होटल एंड वुड हैव पॉसिबली डाइड. तो उसने क्या किया? विदाउट इवन थिंकिंग ही जम्प्ड फ्रॉम द टॉप फ्लोर ऑफ द hotel, and it was 6th floor of the hotel from where he jumped, and he would probably die. This is how Ausable outwitted Max and saved himself. So this is the brief summary that you will read today. Okay, so आज आपका होमवर्क क्या है कि आपने ये चैप्टर को रीड करना है, ठीक है. By understanding the summary of the chapter, you will read this chapter. If you feel any kind of doubt in the chapter, you can ask. Okay, so this is a very interesting story and this is a mysterious story. So thank you so much, students.